Meaning of emit.
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 Emit. Emit means to release or give off something, usually in the form of energy, gas, or particles. When something emits, it produces and sends out a specific type of energy or substance into the surrounding environment. For example, a light bulb emits light, a volcano emits ash and lava, and a car engine emits exhaust fumes. The process of emitting is typically intentional or natural, and it can have a range of effects on the surrounding environment and living organisms that come in contact with the emitted substance or energy.